Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Probably this is gonna be the shortest video I will ever make, but I just want to show you these details very quick, guys. So I'm gonna show you how to put this phone in download mode and also into recovery mode, just in case you want to wipe it out and maybe give it away to somebody, or just put another stock file, another stock software, or whatever your phone is having issues. Just whatever. I'm gonna just go straight to the point. Let's shut this phone down. Okay, just press the power button just like normal, just like so. I still haven't removed my sticker. It's still there. Okay. All right, my phone is off. To put into recovery mode, just press volume up and power button. Just keep pressing, and then when the Samsung brand showed up, just let go power, and it's gonna bring you directly to recovery mode. And from here, you see you can go to, for example, wipe everything, data factory reset. You can do so, or you can choose different options. Just in case if you want to wipe the phone out, just choose that one, press power, and here it give you the option go ahead or cancel. Okay, very easy. I'm gonna just press cancel right now because I'm not doing that. All right, that's how to put your phone in recovery mode. Let me just bring it back and show you how to put it into download mode. Okay. All right, let's just wait. Okay. All right, we have our phone again back on. Very simple for that one. Also, let's shut the phone off. Let's just shut it down. Okay, now the phone is completely off, and this is gonna be a lot more easier. Just have your USB-C cable connected to your computer and press volume up and down at the same time. Keep holding it while you plug in the USB-C. Don't touch anything, and boom, that's gonna bring you to the download mode very quickly. Here, to continue, boom, press volume up, and it's gonna show you all the details and stuff right here. So let's just do whatever you want. From here you can probably install a new software or install a new stock software you want to put on the phone or customize it, all crazy stuff in there. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I just want to show you those quick steps that you can do to put your phone into download mode and recovery mode. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you on fixing your phone, or I don't know what you're doing to your phone, but whatever. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.